They're so weird. Pork.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. We're just gonna go over there and take that one from Mushu.
So I discovered Pork's way of, like, tricking Mushu.
How? Oh my god.
So, like, Mushu will be sitting there just, like, chewing on his toy, you know, and Pork will be chewing on his toy. And then Pork's like, no, we can't have that. He can't have a toy. So he'll, like, bait Mushu into a fight.
He's just on the pillowcase! Oh my god! He's right. Oh my god, Pork! You're so dumb! Oh my god! Look at him! Look at him! I can see my dad! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's rolling over! Alexa, he's rolling over! He's rolling over and being crazy. Look at him!